Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video a very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. With attractive and stylish haircut. Eye-catching hair dye and many much more latest collection. Different ideas of hairstyle, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles. So beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors and so beautiful collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut, and different ideas of bang. And a very stylish collection, stylish ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me. Support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help. So I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be back. With new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.